Hello guys, and welcome to another video of fooling around on Red Dead Redemption. I'm not sure if this is episode 2 or 3. Okay, so, alright, we are in Lone Tan, and I have not joined anybody's posse. Anybody? Hello? Hello? Okay. Alright, so today we are going to be doing stuff and fooling around. So, okay, I have no idea what I did there. Just pressed a random button. I pressed it. What the? Sorry, we're experiencing technical difficulties here. So if you would kindly skip ahead to a minute into the video, I would appreciate that. And just so you know, this is on Xbox. Okay, so you can friend me if you want. And then I can play with subscribers. Hello? Is anybody here? Hello? Who wants to be in a YouTube video? I'm recording right now. Let's see, Wild Dog Man, would you like to be in a video?
I like to be in a YouTube video.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Wait, state your name if you want to be in a YouTube video. Okay, I meant your Xbox name, but okay. Alright. Okay. And...
your gamer tag, what do you say?
Yes, yes it is. Now let's go kill some people. We can ride, and then we can shoot people. Like crazy people. Because that's what this game is all about. Murdering innocent NPCs.
Yo, just one question.
No. Hello? Hello, innocent person? Yeah.
So what everyone's saying is can record.
Yes, I'm recording right now. No.
Right now we're talking and recording.
Oh, dang it. Yeah, everybody can hear you. I'm pretty sure everybody can hear you. Alright. Now everybody can hear you. Alright. Alright. Come, my trusty steed. Alright. Is my steed a... Well, okay. At least it's not a donkey. Are you a donkey? You're not a donkey. Okay. Now, come to me. Ooh, I see. Monks. Alright, I already killed Monks.
A player has started a game.
Ah! Ah! Ah, help me! Yeah. No duh. No duh. Oh god. Oh god. Run! Run away! Ooh, an outlaw. Dang it!
Bounty is yours.
My whistle call. Yes! Alright. Alright. OPG Swagger, I'm coming to you. Alright. Do you have your horse, Mr. Swagger? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. No. Huh? You killed him. Oh, dang it. My horse! My horse! Oh. My horse is invincible. Go, my trusty steed. And let us kill him! Oh, dang it. Oh, why didn't it auto-aim? I was just shooting randomly. What? Oh. No! Why did he have to explode? Why? Oh, okay. And... oh, yeah. No! No, he's coming for him! Ooh, cool. Ah! Why? Why? What? No! Ah! You suck! Why? You are so despicable. Oh, wow. Why?
Oh, no, never mind.
He's shooting his own guys. Alright. Sorry, I don't kick people. Alright, I need to call my invincible. No! No! Invincible horse call. And go, 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 go. Oh my
A
god.
bounty has been placed on another player.
Dang it, dang it, dang it. Alright. OPG, let's go. OPG, we're taking a train. We're getting out of this freak show. Let's take a train. Alright. OPG, follow me. We're gonna take a train. Taking a train to who knows where. Ooh, a basic campsite. Our campsite is ammo for all of your weapons. Yay. Dead eye restored. Whatever that is. Okay. If I had a dead eye, then so be it. Now it's restored.
I got a question.
Alright, what?
My voice is getting recorded.
What?
Is my voice getting recorded?
Yes. Yes. I promise you your voice is getting recorded.
Okay.
If not, then something's wrong with my camera.